Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
First, decide whether you want a hide, auto-hide, or fully remove the taskbar. Check your Windows version like Windows 10 or Windows 11 before proceeding. Backup settings and create a restore point to protect your system. Know that removing the taskbar can affect app access and notifications. Choose the method that matches your comfort level with settings or the registry. Follow each step carefully to avoid losing important configuration or shortcuts. Open Settings and navigate to Personalization, then select Taskbar to start. Toggle the Auto Hide option to make the taskbar slide away when not needed. Confirm the behavior by moving your cursor to the bottom of the screen. Adjust related options like Show Badges or Taskbar Alignment while you are there. Use Auto Hide for temporary removal without changing system files or registry keys. This method is reversible and safe for most users who want to remove the taskbar permanently. Open Registry Editor with administrator privileges first. Export the relevant registry key and create a system restore point before any edits. Modify keys like taskbar see only when instructions explicitly match your Windows version. Alternatively, use a trusted third-party tool to hide or disable the taskbar if you prefer a GUI. Review permissions and read reviews before installing any tool. Restart Explorer or Reboot to apply changes and verify your desktop behaves as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.